All right, today we're going to bring a wireless keyboard and mouse kit. Now, including with everything here. Now, one thing that I like about it is like for those that have like, the newer models that they don't have any type A connections, they give you a converter type A to type C. So you have an option for the actual USB dongle that you have controls, all right? Now, like I said, this is a wireless. It's going to work with the USB. Batteries are not included. You include your own batteries. Now, behind this system, when you open it up, the actual USB device is sitting right here in the back, right? There's an on and off, and it does require a AA battery. So it gives you a little picture of what's the plus and what's the minus. So put that in there, starts lighting up. Now, the USB, you need to set this up on your laptop, all right? And those that don't have a type A connection, like I said, this could go in there and connect to the actual USB type C, all right? So that's an option they have. The USB receiver is actually two ways you could store it. You could store it either behind the actual mouse or behind the actual keyboard. There is a little silhouette of it that tells you how to push it in there and keep it in there if you want to save it. So you are going to need a AAA battery on this one, a smaller battery, and it's going to go this way. And it's going to activate right away. All right. You do have an on and off button here that you turn on the keyboard. You see that? Now, indication of a power source is going to be coming here. So if you do require batteries, you're going to be here. If you guys can see your lighting source are going to come up. You do have a full set of keys, a full keyboard. You have the numeric keys and the F1 keys on the side. You have the up and down arrows. For gaming, you could use it for gaming. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any other buttons other than this button, the left and right button, and also the center button. And you could lower down the actual speed of the mouse through here in the back, right? All right, currently we're going to test out the audio on the actual keyboard. Very quiet, very smooth. I like the whole feeling of the actual keyboard. So the great thing about this keyboard, it's a great combination. So like I said, you turn it on through here and you're ready to go. It's on one already and we're typing away. Look how quiet it is. And then of course you can always move the mouse around, and the mouse it's a decent mouse. It's only a 3 button mouse pretty much, but it's really light for the hands. It goes over my entire hand, as you can see. Keyboards like it that's nice and smooth and quiet, and you're able to work. So if you guys are looking for a great set like this, simple, inexpensive, I hope you guys enjoy this video.